Hi, my name is David Reeves, and I am the founder and vice president of Prism Contractors and Engineers. Our company started in 1997 as really a small engineering firm with hopes of combining both engineering and construction work as a part of the services that we provide. Initially, we started out as predominantly a company that did studies, inflow and infiltration studies, small designs, and then we moved into doing cleaning and TVing of wastewater collection systems and storm drain systems. From there, we eventually continued on with the videos that we were reviewing to start getting into more rehabilitation using trenchless technology. Initially, we got into rehabbing manholes, then laterals, then main lines. And now we provide a comprehensive list of trenchless repairs, which includes the newest in our line of products, Sprayroq. If you look at our logo, we have three crosses. So God is at the very forefront of everything we do. We value relationships. We don't take anybody for granted. We don't have a sense of entitlement. We have had customers for over 15 years, and consistently we feel like we need to re earn their business each and every time. We stand behind our work completely. And if we make a mistake, because everyone makes mistakes, we're going to stand behind it, we're going to fix it, and we're going to make it right. At the end of the day, our reputation is what carries our company. It's not how much work we can get done, but it's the quality with which we get that work done. And God is a constant reminder that people need to be put first. Doing what is right needs to be put first. And we feel like everything else that a company desires flows from taking care of people and doing the right thing. And so we are always going to seek to not just take what you're giving us, but to actually take that, add our engineering expertise, and give you what we think is the best solution. And it's also the most cost effective. So often it's easy for us to just go out and do what we're given, but we will actually look at projects and say, there's probably some other alternatives that are more effective and can also save you money. So our desire within Prism is to build long-term relationships with our customers because at the end of the day, everything is about relationship with God, relationship with our customers, relationships with our employees. This is what drives our company. It's relationships. And so we hope that when people deal with us, they see a sense of pride in us doing the right thing, a sense of pride in us achieving a quality job, a sense of pride in being accountable for the work that we do, a sense of pride in knowing that each and every person that we deal with, well, you're important to us. Right? So over the last few years, we have seen a increase in large diameter rehabilitation. And as you get into larger diameters and odd shapes of storm drain pipes, in particular culverts and whatnot that are underneath interstate roads and even country roads for the local DOTs that are throughout the country, there was a greater need to find products other than a cured in place product. At this point, we first looked at cementitious, and we have done several cementitious products, and we have seen a greater need, especially in larger diameter and odd shapes, to have a polyurethane product that can meet the needs of these DOTs. And this is where Sprayroq comes in as one of the premier polyurethane coatings in our industry. We felt like this would be a good product for us to take on as a part of our services so that we could then enter more fully into the market of rehabbing large diameter pipe, which you can't do as cost effectively with cured in place pipe. So we've found a niche in using the Sprayroq product that we think is going to really begin to grow in years to come. We're also hoping to expand more into treatment facilities using Sprayroq in those areas as well. So we're really excited about our partnership with Sprayroq because it's going to open up a lot of new opportunities for both of our companies. And it's also going to give us a broader range of services that we can provide to our existing customers and hopefully many new customers to come. I think the partnership that we have with Sprayroq is valuable to our company for a number of reasons. The first is Sprayroq has this very family oriented feel, and we can get access to the highest up people within the Sprayroq organization, which is important to us because, as I've said, we value relationship so much, so highly. From Kyle to Jeremy, from the guys that are spraying the stuff and refining the products that Sprayroq has to the very top part. We have complete access to all of these folks, and it's really beautiful. For example, we needed some marketing materials, and within a couple of weeks, we had the marketing materials that we needed, along with some nice stand-up banners. So Sprayroq has done a great job of responding to our needs very quickly, and so we're very excited about what the future has to hold for our working together. Our goal is to really highlight this product as a superior product to use in the rehabilitation of large diameter pipe and in treatment facilities. So one of the things that we love about the Sprayroq product, and it was actually the first time we were introduced to the product was at our annual Prism Fest event, which is a one-day event that we hold each and every year at our actual facility in Williamsburg, Virginia. And I remember this product, and I still have these samples that were done that first time sitting in my office. Is when this product goes on, it is ready to be back in service in such a short period of time that's incredibly important to us in terms of accomplishing work, getting things back into service, reducing our bypass costs. All of these are things that when we use Sprayroq, it really results in a beautiful product ready to be back in service quickly with minimal cost for bypassing and other things associated with a particular piece of infrastructure being down. And we just recently got back from the annual partners meeting, and it was in New Mexico this year in Albuquerque. Incredibly powerful to sit there and talk with other folks who are applying the Sprayroq product throughout the country to learn the different applications that they're using, how they're going about completing their work, even the struggles that they have from time to time, and how they've overcome those struggles are all extremely valuable. So being able to just be there and be present and talk to other people that are in the same line of work as we are, we're actually able to help one another, which is incredibly powerful because when you take the entire world and you bring everyone together, that collective experience in one place is so beneficial to any one partner at any given time. Also, Sprayroq did a beautiful job of giving presentations and kind of letting us know what the way forward is in terms of applications, new products that will be coming out. So it was a good 2 days at that conference that were really quite beautiful and very beneficial.